Another map that is often very useful for briefing maps or for updates and status maps is what we call here multi-frame map or multi-scale map. Uh, all it really is a map with an inset. So you can inset one part of the map to one scale, maybe a much more detailed zoom in, and then have the main map as an overview. So we have a tool to fairly easily do that. Up here on our MapSAR menu bar is the multi-scale map. That was the third map tool. And again, multi-scale just prints a map with multiple scales on it. So we need to select a map template again. This time in our map templates, we're not going to select a briefing map. We actually need to select something from the multi-scale maps folder. If you don't select something from one of these folders, the product will tell you that you're not printing from the correct template, as the template has to be set up to print in multiple scales. If we open this up, there's a lot of templates in here. Looks kind of complicated, but really it's not. You only have three sizes to choose from at this time. We have an ANSI C 17 by 22. We have an ANSI D, which is 22 by 34, or an E, which is a nice large 34 by 44 map. Again, for ease of display on the screen and quickness of generation, I'm going to choose a 17 by 22. You'll see there's a BL, a BR, TL, and a TR. All that really stands for is bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. So that's where do I want my inset map to be? Where do I want that other detailed map to be? So in this case, I'm just going to choose a bottom right. So I'm choosing an ANSI C multi-scale map, bottom right. I'll add that to my dialog and you'll see the red splat went away. Again, by default, it's saving it into products. The name of the map, maybe I want to give it something a little bit more meaningful here, and I'll call it multi-scale, just so I know what it is. Again, the map title, we can change this. We can delete the name. We can change it. We don't even need to have the word incident. Anything you type in here will print in the title of the map. So now we have two scale choices. We've got the main map scale and we've got the inset map scale. So the main map is the overview. And maybe that's quite nice at 1 to 24K. It gives you a pretty good overview of the area which you might be searching. The inset map, let's zoom that in a little bit. Let's zoom that in to say 1 to 10,000 scale. So now we'll see our point last seen in much more detail with an overview on the main map. Again, we're going to center the map around an object, and we only have one object to center on at this time, which is the PLS. Our subject is still Joe Bloggs. We're looking for him. And again, we have the default resolution and the default PDF quality. We do want the base data to print, so we have the base map, and we're going to mark the PLS on the map when we print it. So once I've completed this, I can press OK and let the script go through and process and generate this multi-scale map, which will save to our products folder.